Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your first flying weather outlook of 2021, valid from Monday the 4th of January, and brought to you by Fly Magazine in association with WeatherSchool.co.uk. Thanks for watching once again, and we've got a mixed week ahead. Some wintry showers affecting eastern areas during the course of the next few days. Pretty breezy there as well. Western areas tending to be better, but I think generally for most of us there will be some flying to be found. Now, by the end of the week, things do look like staying cold. It remains fairly unsettled. We'll see sleet and snow as well into the weekend, but again, like I say, I think there will still be some flying to be found, but the timings on this are going to be pretty tricky, and you probably need to keep an eye on it as we go through the course of the week. Loads to talk about at Aviation Weather School Part 2, which is taking place from this weekend. But if you've not been to Aviation Weather School yet, I've got my next Part 1 course on the Saturday mornings of the 6th and the 13th of February from 09:30 to 12:30 hours. So this is the course for you if you want to understand more about flying weather, you want to be able to plan 5 days in advance accurately, and you want to have confidence in the forecasts that you're seeing and why they're chopping and changing all the time. If you want to know the answers to those questions and learn more about the weather and build your confidence, then Aviation Weather School is for you. If you go to weatherschool.co.uk now, come down to aviation, click on Aviation Weather School, you can book your place on the course there now. You just need to click here, book securely by card or PayPal, and you can book your place now. It'll be great to see you there. Okay, on with the forecast, and this is the forecast for today. High pressure centred off northern Scotland. This brisk northeast wind, a cold northeasterly flow. Some showers affecting eastern coast here, may go marginal at times, and also with that wind speed I think it'll be quite marginal. Most of the showers affecting southeastern areas. Further west, generally VFRable. It's fairly breezy. Scotland's mostly VFRable, and Ireland as well. Now for Tuesday, that northeasterly flow persists. Some showers affecting many eastern areas of the country, but you notice how those showers are aligned, look, with the wind. So these are coming through in what we call convergence lines, and they're bringing lines of showers in from the west. If you're in one of those convergence lines, they'll last all day, and you'd be in non to marginal conditions. Bases probably at around 1,500 to 2,000 feet, tops 15,000 feet. Outside of those, generally, it's going to be VFRable. And the further west you go, the better it gets. Bases at 2,000 feet, tops at around 10 to 12,000 feet. So it all depends on where you are along those lines for Tuesday. Now, Wednesday, again, another one of those lines in play across southeast England, maybe a few down these eastern coasts where it's marginal again if you get caught by the showers. 2,000 foot bases, 10,000 foot tops. Along the southeastern coast, 2,000 foot bases, 15,000 foot tops. Further west, generally it is VFRable with bases of around 3,000 feet and tops at around 10 to 12,000 feet. On to Thursday then, staying cold on Thursday. A weak cold front comes southwards, bringing a band of wintry precipitation with it. Marginal conditions as this system comes south. Bases probably at around 1 to 2,000 feet, tops at 12,000 feet, so slipping into non-VFR at times. And then following in from the north, we've got showers bringing non to marginal VFR conditions here. 2,000 foot bases, 15,000 foot tops. Further south, looks like it stays generally flyable. A VFRable, 3,000 foot bases, 10,000 foot tops here. And then getting on to Friday, all a bit of a mess on Friday. Again, we go back into an eastern northeasterly. So northern and eastern coast and hills are probably going to be into marginal to non-VFR conditions. I think bases here of around 1 to 2,000 feet, tops at 15,000 feet. Sleet and snow showers moving in from the west. Further west, generally VFRable, though some showers affecting southwest Wales and the northern coast of Devon. It looks VFRable across Ireland. And then the weekend, well, like I say, things look more unsettled for Saturday, particularly across Scotland, Ireland, northwest England, western Wales, as this system moves in. It brings some rain and sleet and snow with it, non-VFRable as the front comes in. Ahead of it, generally VFRable, 3,000 foot bases, 10,000 foot top. So early is definitely better. And then for Sunday, it's a case of some heavy showers on Sunday, most of them affecting more central and western areas. Troughs moving eastwards. Along the trough, non-flyable conditions. 1 to 2,000 foot paces, 15 to 20,000 foot tops. Either side looks generally VFRable, looks okay for Scotland as well, but some heavy showers getting into Northern and Western Ireland, leading to non-VFR conditions here. So you see what I mean about the weekend becoming more unsettled again, and it stays cold as well. Okay, I'll leave you that for now. Don't forget to book your place now at Aviation Weather School Part 1 on the 6th and 13th of February. It's on the mornings of those two dates. It's presented live by me. It's always great fun. If you've not been along yet, have a look at the reviews, see what other pilots have said, and it will be great to see you on board. You can book your place now. We've got a few places remaining. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now. Whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.